more TikTok views.
We're gonna take a little water and we're gonna give Coconut a little back scratch. Oh, you like that? Huh? I don't, look at that. All that green needs to be come off of you, Coconut. Man, you're just like the green monster from the deep. You're supposed to be white. Oh, there it goes. It's coming right off.
Morning, boys. Hi, Journey. Good morning. Good morning. Morning, Gabriel. Hi. Good morning. What's that now? Aw, thank you.
Here's the bill for the vet today. Not really sure how you're going to pay that one. You do actually live here rent-free. I do buy your groceries. So, you know, maybe get a job, contribute to society a little bit. This is getting ridiculous, dude.
Обзор на лемурок.
Meow.